Hi, Amanda.
Hi, Jed.
You know, it's been a big 3 days here at Pack Expo, and I have searched the entire exhibition and the entire internet, and I don't think the world needs another mailer.
Jed, I don't agree. Right here is actually the world's newest and best mailer.
Okay.
I'm going to show you why. You ready to be convinced?
Bring it on.
Okay, first of all, have you ever seen a mailer that actually opens like this?
That's
You're
pretty
talking
impressive.
about a mailer
Okay,
that's
okay.
it's in between like a box and a mailer, right? And so what can you do with a mailer that opens like this? You can actually put in large round items.
Wait a minute. You're not saying a mailer can hold that enormous tub of stuff that's round and cylindrical. Hold on.
Right there. Here we go.
All right,
We're just going to
it's not
close
going to
it
fit.
up.
Oh my gosh, it seals.
Yep.
What a
look at
mailer.
that.
Okay,
Look at
all
that.
right.
You want to know what else you didn't find? You mentioned plastic. You mentioned bubbles. This is curbside recyclable. It is all paper. Last thing that I love about this is all those mailers you normally see and get, they're not cushioned. When you actually put this in this mailer, you heard like the cushioning, feel that.
I'm in.
1/4 inch
That's
all
real.
the way around.
They're little protective air pillows throughout.
It's awesome. Yep.
Man.
So all that makeup, electronics, things that normally go in a box, you can now place in a mailer.
Yes, that looks fragile and important.
Yeah, right here. Let's do it.
And it feels okay. It's secure. It's safe. It's in a WaveKraft mailer. You can learn more by Googling WaveKraft mailer. Check it out. Thanks for watching.